Top 6. Best Metal Detectors. If you're looking for the best metal detectors, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Best Overall. Fisher F22.
The F22 metal detector from Fisher Research Labs, leading innovators in metal detection technology since 1931. The F22 is a weatherproof, rugged outdoor product built to withstand the elements. The F22 separates trash from treasure by utilizing innovative target discrimination and ID technologies. When metal objects are detected, the detector will simultaneously emit one of 4 tones, illuminate one of 9 target ID category icons, and a 2-digit target ID number will appear on the screen. Possible target ID numbers range from 1 to 99. This number, tone, and category icon represents the electrical conductivity of the target and can be used to determine the probable ID of the buried target. FE tone, adjustable iron audio control, allows the user to set iron audio levels, making it easy to hear the treasure over trash. This, coupled with the F22's unparalleled quick recovery speed, allow this unit to further single out treasure in and amongst the trash. Fisher's exclusive, deep-reaching 9-inch triangulated concentric elliptical waterproof search coil penetrates deep underground, easily detecting coin-sized targets at 9+ inches and larger targets at much greater depths. Powerful and versatile enough for the veteran with a customizable hunt mode and adjustable settings, yet simple enough for the novice with easy-to-use turn-on-and-go treasure hunting modes. The F22 is proudly made in the USA and has an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Fisher F22, built Fisher.
Number 2. Premium Choice. Minelab Equinox 800. Number 3. Best Budget. Bounty Hunter Gold Digger.
The Gold Digger from Bounty Hunter, a quality metal detector with an affordable price tag. An easy-to-use metal detector for adults and kids alike. Find valuable buried metal objects almost anywhere, even your own backyard. But the adventure doesn't stop there. The Gold Digger is perfect for the beach, parks, and fields. The Trash Eliminator control eliminates detection of most unwanted targets, while the power level control maximizes depth of detection. Small objects, like coins, can be detected up to 6 inches deep. Larger targets can be detected much deeper. The Gold Digger operates on 2 9-volt batteries and comes with headphones and an easy-to-understand user's manual. Bounty Hunter Gold Digger. What will you find?
Number 4. Excellent Accuracy. Sunpow Professional OT MD02. Number 5. Best for Kids. Bounty Hunter Junior TID.
Congratulations on your purchase of the Bounty Hunter Junior Target ID metal detector. The Bounty Hunter Junior Target ID was designed to be a powerful, yet simple and fun detector for kids. By following these simple instructions, you'll ensure a fun and exciting adventure finding buried treasures. To adjust the length of the Bounty Hunter Junior Target ID, loosen the tube clamping nut a quarter turn counterclockwise. Pivot the search coil so that the bottom of the coil is facing the ground. Adjust the tube length so that the search coil rests on the ground close to the user's feet. Ensure there is approximately 2 inches of overlap in the tubes to help stabilize the rods. Only use AA alkaline batteries or a high-quality rechargeable battery. Never use heavy-duty or zinc-carbon batteries, and never mix old and new batteries. To turn the detector on, press and hold the on-off button. The LCD will momentarily illuminate all segments. For best performance, always replace exhausted batteries indicated by a flashing battery life indicator. Know what's buried before you dig. The sad emoji is probably trash. This includes iron nails, screws, bolts, and some large iron objects like horseshoes. The middle emoji with the question mark could be something good or it could be trash. This includes gold, jewelry, zinc pennies, and US nickels, but also includes many trash items such as pull tabs, screw caps, bottle caps, and aluminum. The happy emoji is the good stuff. This includes coins and other high-value metals like silver. By pressing the disk button, you can eliminate unwanted target categories. The Junior Target ID metal detector tells you how deep the buried treasure is, with a 3-segment depth graph. 1 segment equals 0 to 2 inches, 2 segments equals 2 to 4 inches, and 3 segments indicates the buried treasure is more than 4 inches deep. When a large metal object is too close to the search coil, the detector will overload. The screen will blank, and a lift coil message will flash in the lower left-hand portion of the screen. Overload will not harm the detector, but the detector will not function in overload. If this occurs, simply raise the coil to create distance between the object and the search coil. The Bounty Hunter Junior Target ID requires motion to properly detect buried treasures. A motionless search coil will not detect treasure. Keep the coil as low to the ground as possible. Try not to lift the search coil at the end of your sweeps. This is known as penduluming and can result in missing treasure located near the end of your sweeps. Accurate pinpointing takes practice and is best accomplished by Xing the suspected target area. A good way to practice this is to lay a metal object on the ground. Make sure there are no other metal targets nearby and practice Xing it while listening to the audio. Take visual note of the spot on the ground at which the beep occurs and stop the coil over the spot on the ground. Now move the coil straight forward and straight back towards you, again taking visual note of where the beep occurs.
Number 6. Simple and portable. National Geographic Pro Series. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.